All right, so here's a better look of the 240. We're gonna do a test. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Look at that. See, fuel pump replacement was very successful. You see that it's not overheating. Running very good, very quiet. Okay, let's go under the hood and take a look. Let me rev it real quick. Cool. So far so good. All right, let's go under the hood and check it out. All right, so here's a better look of the engine bay. So far it's very stable. Cool. All right, so now let's do a quick road test and confirm the transmission operation. All right, here's a better look. We're gonna do a road test. First gear. All right. Second gear. Alignment is off, so it pulls to the right and it's crooked, but it does drive. Third gear. Fourth gear. And fifth gear. All right, all the gears work. Reverse. Reverse works. Cool. All right. Now we can go a little faster and confirm. All right, here's a better look. Do hear something. A little bit of transmission noise. Well, the transmission needs some new bearings, but I mean it does work. There's a little bit of noise right there. It does drive. No overheating. And that's it, guys. Just need to do an alignment. And the car's pretty much ready to drive. But as it is right now, engine and transmission replacement was successful. And now we just have to fine tune the car. But that's it, guys. Look, no overheating. Does run and drive. Solid repair. Cool. Thanks for watching. Stay fast.